What's going on, good people? This is the month of July, which means this month I will actually be doing Christmas in July. Now, why am I doing Christmas in July? Because I want to recap and give you detail on how to set up a Christmas light show, as well as give you background on a Christmas light show. But we got to do these opening credits. So with the Christmas light show that I did it in December of 2020. First time ever doing Christmas light show. I wired everything up within like a month and a half, which to be honest, by the standards of the people in the X Lights and the Falcon Pie Player community groups on Facebook, is a pretty short time to be able to get all of that, assemble it, test it, build your sequences, everything. But I wanted to use this month to recap essentially how I went about doing things, give you a little bit of behind the scenes look. I did a behind the scenes look video in January of 2020. So if you want to go watch that, there'll be a link down in the description available for that. But this month we'll go a little bit deeper into the technology behind it. So how to do sequences in X Lights, setting up Falcon Pi Player, those type of things, and also covering how I went about building the Twitter application that posts the song information to Twitter in real time. That is coordinated with the light show. So all of this month, Christmas in July. If you want to read up about the stuff that I have done thus far, you can check out the website. I have it linked down in the description below, that you can go and read up on the documentation that I've created for this, as well as some of the the presentation that I did in December of 2020 for a group of students to better understand what that show is like. And so a copy of that again is here. It got photos and a little bit of outline with everything in here that was needed to complete the show. So be sure to check back throughout the month of July, as each week new video discussing Christmas in July or Christmas light shows will be posted. So peace out and enjoy your Christmassy summer.